Hi, my name's Ben.
Hi, Ben.
So I am doing a project for school. I go to Harvard Law School, and I was wondering if I could ask you a few questions and then use your answers in my project.
Who's gonna see this?
Probably just my professor, but maybe some other people here. But it would stay within the school community.
Okay.
Thank you. All right.
I don't have to show you my tits or anything, right?
No, none of that, unless you want
Alright,
to.
chat roulette weirdos.
Okay. So I'm in a class called the American Jury. And so I just want to ask you, well, have you ever been on a jury before?
No.
Okay. But are you kind of familiar with the general role of a juror?
Yes.
All right. Well, what do you think that role is? How would you define it?
You listen to the defense and the prosecution make their cases, and then you decide how you feel if the plaintiff or whoever defendant is guilty or not guilty or
Yeah, exactly. Okay. And so obviously, the two sides present evidence to you, and that's typically all you have access to. Um, would you ever, as a juror, do your own research?
um I think officially, I would not, but I think I wouldn't be able to help it if I was interested, if it was something that really mattered to me, like if I really cared about the outcome. I think I would, probably Google it in secret or something.
What if the judge told you not to, explicitly?
What would be the ramifications of him finding out that I did?
You could maybe be kicked off the jury. They might have to do a mistrial, but civilly, no, you'd be fine.
I think I would still do it because I think if the whole point of my researching would be to find out the truth, even if it wasn't, it wouldn't hold up in the court of law, just so I can make the best decision possible.
And would you use that information in making your actual verdict?
I think so because I watch a lot of SVU, and there's always, things that they can't bring up in court, but that would, if they could bring it up in court, it would, put the nail in the coffin of, the justice that's about to be served. So, mixed metaphors aside, I think it would influence how I felt about it, and I would try to have that come across in my decision.
Awesome. Great. That was all I had to ask. Thank you so much for your time and help.
Bye.
Bye.